Hi everyone, and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. For Thursday the 20th of March, the chart I'm going to look at now is sterling dollar, and once again we saw dollar strength overnight, pulling sterling dollar sharply lower. I've been interested in recent days, certainly with this with this situation where you've seen a series of lower highs, and certainly that had been putting pressure on the downside, and that was seen overnight. And what I've done now is I've redrawn in a bit of an old support that now becomes a resistance. So we'd now say that the resistance on this daily chart is going to come in at around about the 65.80 level, which was around about the lows in this trading band. But on the media, I mean, you'd certainly say that the near-term correction is on, but I'm going to draw in an uptrend here that still suggests that we're in a bull phase on cable. There's no real suggestion that that's going to change at the moment, and I think that is still a positive move within this uptrend. So you've also got the correction on the RSI. If it can find support once more above that 40 level, which is done on several occasions through this uptrend, I think this could be coming towards a buying opportunity on cable. The MACD lines are also above neutral, and as I said, the RSI back towards that 40 level. So it's interesting. So this could be another chance to buy. You've also got this 89-day moving average, which supported back in early February, still trading above there now. And so there's several arguments to suggest that if the bulls can actually find support around these sort of levels, then this would ultimately be probably yet another buying opportunity in this big uptrend that we've seen. Moving intraday, as I said earlier, the pressure is to the downside, following on from that that sharp move lower in the FOMC meeting. However, there is a retracement underway, and it looks like it is pushing higher. It formed a higher low at 65.25, which was above the overnight low at 65.06. So you'd certainly be looking at 65.25 as your base level. Now, if it can sort of find support once more again above there, it can continue to retrace this move. However, you've got the intraday moving averages all moving lower, and arguably these momentum indicators all in bearish configuration, although you'd also say that there is a crossover on the MACD lines, which may induce this supportive recovery. So what I would say is the best way to play this now is to just, because of the sharp move we've seen lower, you tend to find that that move is then retraced in some way, and I think that is what we're seeing at the moment. Then I think cable will need to settle down once more, and I think once that happens, you will see the bulls reassessing whether they want to continue to back sterling or not within this recovery in that big medium-term uptrend that I talked about earlier. So we need to, I think, just reassess the situation probably today and see if we can start to form a higher low above that 65.25 and certainly above the overnight low of 65.06. If that can begin to happen, then we can start to think about whether we're going to start buying this chart or not. But certainly at the moment, the pressure overall on the intraday basis is to the downside, although it is retracing this move at the moment. But what I will be looking out for, as I said, is the potential for a higher low to be put in place. So it's slightly mixed signals in cable at the moment because of that big medium-term uptrend that we still find ourselves in, and you're not far off that at the moment. That medium-term uptrend, if I zoom in, comes in around about the $1.64.65 level anyway. So that is would suggest that this is around about where we need to start forming support anyway, and if we're going to maintain this bullish medium-term outlook. So this could be an interesting couple of days, certainly on the technical front for cable, in terms of whether we maintain this bullish medium-term view, or whether we have to start thinking about a retracement of the big bull market run back towards at least that 62.50 level that we'd seen in early February. Okay, well, I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.